Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. We are going to be doing a body update. So if you're interested in seeing what my measurements are now compared to before, then stay with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you are new, thanks so much for returning. If you are already subscribed, make sure that you leave a like down below if you enjoyed today's content and subscribe if you want to hang out some more. Okay, so it has actually been a hot minute since I've done my measurements. Before they were a month apart and time kind of got away from me, and now it's been about a month and a half, which isn't actually that bad. So good news is though, today I actually weighed in at 194. So I was just kind of going through a period where everything was like going right, but like I was just only losing a little bit of weight, and then like the last 2 weeks it's just kind of been like tanking off. Like I don't really know. I stepped on the scale like 10 times this morning because I was like, this shouldn't be right, but it keeps saying the same thing. It's not changing its mind, so I'll just take it. I'll take it with a grain of salt, salt. What is it? We're gonna get down to the nitty gritty of this and fly through this. So if you're interested to know my stats from before, I will also link the videos up in the cards, but I will also have a side-by-side comparison and the numbers of the measurements from last time, which was the middle of March, to today, which is the beginning of March. It's actually, it wasn't today. Oh no, yesterday was Cinco de Mayo. Okay, let's get some measurements done. We'll do my neck. Yeah, it's the same. So 15 inches for the neck. And this is always kind of awkward. Like the camera lens isn't long enough for my whole body, and I'm not gonna do it in portrait mode. I don't know what to do. All right, okay, let's do my arm. So 13 for the left bicep and 13 for the right. We're at 41 and a half. Let's move down. It's a smidge under 37. We'll call it 37. It's about a 45. 24 and a half for the right thigh. 24 and a half for the left thigh. 16 for the right calf. And 16 for the right calf. Did I say left calf? 16 for both calves. Okay, so that would be my measurements for today. Is the 6th of May 2020. So really this whole last set of measurements is coming during all of the quarantine and the COVID and all that. I've been working really hard to stay on track and to keep my macros accurate and to just be really consistent. I mean, with activity, workouts, the whole shebang. So I've been working really hard to just be consistent at that in such a way that even after I'm trying to lose weight, like I would still live this way. So I don't know, that's just kind of how I would do it for now. So anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. So here's going to be my before and afters. It'll be somewhere on the screen. My before and afters. I'm pretty sure I lost a couple of inches at least. That will be it for today's video. Thanks so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed seeing how my body has come along even during this whole COVID majigga. If you enjoyed today's content, be sure to leave a like down below and make sure that if you've seen the video thus far, you best be subscribing. Ring that bell so you never miss any of my future videos as well. Till next time, stay well, stay blessed.